You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Relocating from the U.S. to India is more than just shipping boxes. This is a major life transition. Whether you're returning home, pursuing a new job, or chasing adventure, preparation is key. You may feel overwhelmed by the logistics, cultural shift, and what to bring. That's where SDC International Shipping steps in as your trusted guide. We've helped thousands of families and individuals manage international transitions, and we know what it takes to do it right. Homes in India are often smaller than typical U.S. residents. Bringing everything may not be practical, but that's okay. Our experienced team will walk you through a pre-move consultation to assess what's worth shipping, storing, selling, or donating. We also provide a customized packing list that ensures your essentials are ready when you arrive. We use durable, internationally approved materials to prevent breakage or loss in transit. Navigating documents. International moves are document heavy, from visas and work permits to custom forms and inventory sheets. SDC's team will assist in ensuring everything is filled out correctly and submitted on time. If you're traveling with family members, we'll guide you through child-specific travel documentation and pet import requirements. Planning your shipment. With several options, including shared container services, exclusive container services, and air freight, your shipment can be tailored to your timing, volume, and budget. Whether you're downsizing or sending your entire household, we'll match you with the ideal method. Pack smart. Choose from do-it-yourself support, professional packing, or white glove service. We'll ensure each box is labeled, itemized, and optimized for custom clearance. Ready to begin your journey to India? Contact SDC today to start your personalized international moving plan and receive a free quote. Call 877-339-0267 or visit us today to make your move to India effortless.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.